Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. You can hear Waze, but it's barely a whisper, even with your car stereo turned up. This is a known bug on Android devices where the volume suddenly becomes too low. The good news is there is a reliable workaround. So in today's small tutorial we're gonna go through how to fix Waze volume too low, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First and first, turn volume up while Waze is speaking. This is the most important fix. Wait until Waze starts giving a voice direction, then immediately turn up the volume on your phone or car stereo. This adjusts the navigation volume specifically, not your media output or volume. Then you can disable bass sound to speaker on Android. This is the known workaround for the Android low volume bug. Go through settings, voice and sound, turn off the option bass sound to speaker. This restores the expected audio volume. How to access it, pretty easy. We're gonna tap on this hamburger menu or option here. Okay, wait a second, let me do a small flip. Turn it back on. This menu, go through settings, voice and sound. Now you will be accessing all different types of settings here, including spoken directions, voice commands. You also have the sound. You can turn it up or turn it down from here. And here you go, this is the option, play sound to phone speaker. Let's say for example you are on your car, so you want the volume or this sound to play on the speakers of the car. Now it's time to turn this off. For example, if you want the sound to come from the speaker of the phone, turn it on. That's the whole idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.